Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here. So for today's painting, as you can see, I'm pretty much in the blues and creams and gold. So I will be painting first off here. I've got some Prussian blue phthalo from Amsterdam. Here I've got some gold from artist Loft, metallic gold. My blue over here is obviously DecoArt. It's a Copenhagen blue. And here I've got some leftover buttermilk. My white is Artist Loft. So everything has water at Floetrol and everything has silicone except for my white. I'll be trying out the Dutch method again today and hoping for some nice results. So here we go. So I'm really happy with the overall look of this Dutch pour. I think that the results are so much better. I'm happy with the texture, the color, the cells. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!